Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta very easy, full guide. Begin by bringing a large pot of water to a rolling boil, add a generous pinch of salt, then add pasta and stir to prevent sticking. Set a timer for the package time -1 minute, taste for doneness, and reserve about 1 cup of cooking water before draining to finish your sauce smoothly and silky. Warm a pan, add olive oil and sliced garlic, then toss in tomatoes or cream to build a quick sauce while the pasta cooks. Use the reserved pasta water to loosen and bind the sauce to the noodles for glossy coverage. Taste and season with salt and pepper, then stir in grated cheese or fresh herbs just before serving to keep flavors bright and balanced for a comforting result. When pasta is al dente, transfer it directly to the pan with sauce and toss over low heat so the flavors meld and the sauce clings evenly. Add a knob of butter or a splash of cream for richness if the sauce seems thin, and finish with a sprinkle of cheese, cracked pepper, or lemon zest to lift the dish. Serve immediately on warm plates for best texture and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.